Alright guys, you're welcome back to our channel. Yes, we are in Enugu State, Enugu precisely, Nigeria. So I'm going to be giving you guys an update regarding the current work we observed around Enugu town. So this is something that has been on for a while, though the installation is still going on across the city, but we're just going to be giving you guys an update of what is to come as far as security is concerned in Enugu State. If you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. For returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. So let's get straight into the business of the day. As you can see ahead of us now, you see a pole elongated outside. So this part of the town, it has been installed, but the cameras are not yet here. So one will be installed here, and around this roundabout they've already done the casting for another one. So what the governor is trying to do is that he said he's going to put security across every major junctions that leads in and out of Enugu State. He actually test run this move with the one he has installed just directly opposite the government house, and that one is already running, and we've seen signs of installation across every other junctions in town. Some places, poles like the one we just passed, has not yet been installed, but the casting has been done, waiting for the pole to be installed before the cameras are installed. And while some areas the poles have been installed, cameras have not been installed. The only one I can confirm before I started this drive or this video is the one at government house that has been confirmed, installed and working. And they have a central control room just close to the government house as well, where the monitoring will be done across the state. So if you're aware of these updates, let us know in the comment section. As you notice, we kickstarted the drive just leaving premium layout, the Goshen axis of town, and that camera is going to be two-way. So capturing towards Goshen, the other one capturing exiting, coming from the express and exiting from Goshen. So either ways, the camera is going to be serving its purpose. I think it's quite an intelligent move, and I think it's quite good if it's going to be effective. And he also said it's going to be linking into the database of various cars. So most of these MOT disturbing you when you beat traffic on the road, all of that will not be there by the time this project is completed. So your car, once you beat traffic light or whatever, you just take a snapshot and it's uploaded on the database, and you'll be sent a message of violation of any of the laws. So I think it's a very good initiative. We hope it comes into full fulfillment as promised. But then I think installing security around the town is a very good move to checkmate a lot of things around town. At least it will help us cope security a little bit. So we are currently just driving Independence Layout. We are still heading towards government house. We're going to be showing you that, taking you towards other junctions around town to show you the installation that has been done all over the place. So if you are based in Enugu State and you have seen this development around your place, let us know in the comment section. The likes of Abia. So we'll find out time to also visit Abia and bring updates regarding this project in Abia. Like I always emphasize, when projects like this hits the city centers of any state, I think it's good to take it towards the part we consider a little bit rural in the city. So I will really appreciate if people from Abia can tell me categorically if something like this is currently happening around their place. So we are currently just directly opposite Top Scanner, and as you can see again, this is still the installation. The pole has been erected, but the cameras are not yet fixed. So you will see an example. Okay, I think by the left hand side you can also see one there. It's for the sake of the video, let me do a turn around this roundabout. You see where he's trying to capture. So you can see this one is coming from WAEC. Why this other one, if you are coming from premium layout, this other one here is going to capture you. Exiting from government is going to capture you. So if you are coming from WHO, this one going to WAEC will capture you coming from WAEC. So just like that. So the installation is just to ensure that every aspect is covered. So this same installation is also available around the WAEC axis as well. We are closer to government house. Let me just show you what it looks like with the camera installed and everything around the government house before we see other places in town where it has been installed. Like I said earlier, some areas, so in case for those who are living in some certain areas who have not seen such poles in their places, just look out for casting around major junction. There are castings they are doing that just have this big pillar casting. So just observe something like that in your area. If you see any around any roundabout, a major junction, a busy junction, so that should just give you an idea of the fact that they are coming to install one there. Oh, we just passed one done just right opposite of Barra Square. We just passed one there, so there's one in that roundabout as well. So we're approaching the government house junction now. You can see the lion sculpture already. So I don't know if I should zoom in a little, but I think it is clear. You can see the one already installed, and you can see that the cameras are there facing us. You can see it very well for yourself, and there's another one coming from the other direction. And if you look towards I'll make a U-turn on this roundabout where you will capture the like a little control center it has there. So there's a proper structure inside like the government house where we serve as a control tower. So you can see just inside of this place, you can see that there is this stuff underneath this what's it called, solar panel. So they said that's power servicing the street lights for this around here. So I think it's a very good initiative. So that's the one around government house. The cameras are already installed and they're tested working. So other junctions, the poles are rapidly on installation, but we are yet to see cameras on them, while some places the casting has been done. So this is the junction, another junction now. So you will see that you've seen the pole already installed. Otigba junction, there is one there. So let's go towards Bokiti axis. You will see another full installation already done there. So he's going to capture the entire city, going to capture the entire town. He hopes this will help reduce crime a little and also aid investigation should in case there is any crime in the city. So I think it's a welcome development. We hope those who are going to be manning the control room should be those who has skill and expertise in regards to this feed. So let's take it down towards Bokiti and see what it looks like around there. So as you come to Enugu or visit Enugu, just look out for major junctions. You're going to be seeing these cameras fully installed. Initially they started this initiative by installing cameras on the traffic lights. Those some are getting by. I don't know if you see the videos that are removing it, but that's what they started from, so that these plate numbers can be captured upon violation and all of that. But some, I've not seen this security camera again there, so I don't know what is happening. But this is just a new initiative. It's a different camera from the one you see on the traffic light system. So let's use here to navigate towards Bokiti and see what is there as well. We are currently in Presidential Road, so down here, for as many who are familiar with Enugu, this is Presidential Road, and it has not been installed yet, but there are already signs that they are digging the ground, trying to prepare the ground for the casting, but no installation around this axis of Presidential Road yet. So if we get to the other Obiago roundabout, we'll go to see an installation there. But then from what I've observed around the town, I think it's major junctions across town that this installation is going through. So let's just use Bokiti and see what has been installed there as well. I think Bokiti is another major junction that requires something like this, and let's see if it has been installed. So if you are still with us, not yet a subscriber, again do well to subscribe and turn on notification bell. So at Bokiti, where we are currently, no installation yet. The ground has been dug, so I don't know if you guys can see it. You can't really see it, so no installation yet around here. So I think the premium layout, the Waec axis, the government house, the New Heaven, those are areas that the installation has happened. Installation, I mean, the camera has not been mounted, but the poles and all of the casting has been done in those regions. So guys, let me know what you think about this current project of security cameras around Enugu State by the government. Let me know what you think. There was no stipulated amount I'm aware of has been allocated for this project. So if you have that information, you can also do well to share with us in the comment section. So we look forward to your thoughts. We look forward to your own opinion regarding this. So again, if you enjoyed content like this or more other content concerning cities around Nigeria, you want to check our video catalog for them, and you're going to enjoy a whole lot of them. And if you are seeing us for the first time, do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.